Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to solve this Rubik's Cube first layer a pretty fast way, and I'll also give you some tricks on how to do it by using less steps. Okay, so actually I'll just go ahead and solve the entire Rubik's Cube. So if you are new, if you do not know about solving Rubik's Cube, you can watch this video till the end, and it will be you'll learn a lot using this method. Okay, so it's the beginner method. Actually it's a bit advanced than beginner method. Okay, so now let's go and let's get started. So now first of all we need to put 4 white edge piece out here. If you are newbie, you do not know what an edge piece is. Edge piece means this, okay, so which has only 2 colors. Okay, so but we need edge piece that contains white in it. Okay, so we need 4 edge piece. We hold this Rubik's Cube this way with the yellow center on the top, and we have to find 4 white edge piece. Okay, so now I've taught in my previous videos how to add how to get the 4 edge piece, but now my students, what they are doing is they're doing this, they are rotating a lot. Okay, they are doing this again they are doing this. Okay, so they do not know where this white is. Okay, so they are keeping rotating and rotating. So they keep rotating, and it takes a lot of time. Okay, so what you can do is, when you get the Rubik's Cube, okay, just look at the Rubik's Cube and find this edge piece which contains white. Okay, just see where it is. Okay, so and determine whether it's in its good position or bad position. Okay, so what a good position is, so this is a good position. Okay, this is a good position because we just have to rotate it once 90 degree. Okay, so you can see that these 2 white edge piece are in its good position, but this is not in its good position because we have to keep rotating it more than once to bring it out here. Okay, so let's look at the white edge piece. Okay, so now you can see out here 1 edge piece is here and 1 is here. Okay, so if we do this, we will solve it, but again we will spoil this one. Okay, so for this, if in this case we have 2 white piece. Okay, actually 3 white edge piece are in its good position. Okay, so because we just have to rotate it 90 degree here. Okay, so in this case, okay, so if we rotate this, we will spoil this edge piece. Okay, so we'll spoil, we'll take it from its good position to its bad position. Okay, so what we have to do is, first just look at the Rubik's Cube, and you can see this white edge piece. Instead of doing this, just go and solve this one first. Okay, so you can see that now it's in its position with just 1 move. Then you can do this, we just solve the second one, then we can do this. Okay, so in just 3 steps we solved 3 white edge pieces. Okay, so this will drastically improve your timing. Okay, so now the last one is out here. Okay, so last one is here. Now what you have to do is, we need to insert this white edge piece here. Okay, so we just have to rotate it 2 times and do this. Okay, so it's so fast. Okay, so fast we brought the 4 white edge piece. Okay, so this is the first step, and people tend to rotate a lot. Okay, you do not have to rotate a lot, you just have to use your head and do it in faster. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so once you do that, now what you have to do is, you have to find this centerpiece that matches with this one. Okay, so in order to do that, just look around. Okay, so you do this. Okay, so now you can see out here we just match this with this. Okay, so now when you are doing this, just look in the side. Okay, so you may match the second one also. Okay, so that becomes very easy. Okay, so once you match, you just have to turn it 180 degree. Now see, the third one is also matched and the fourth one is also matched. Okay, so it becomes fast if you try to look at the cube. Okay, just study the cube. Okay, so if you just practice for some times, you can solve this white cross in a matter of just a few seconds. Okay, so maximum 5 seconds you can solve it. Okay, so now next thing is, now we need to solve this corner piece. Okay, so for that we need to find corner piece which contains white in it. Okay, so if you have watched my video, you know that, but if you are newbie, just watch this video. Okay, so you need this corner piece okay, which contains white. Okay, look for corner piece. Now look at this top colors. Okay, so you can see out here red and green. Okay, so where is red and green? You can see green center is here, red center is here. Okay, you have to hold this cube this way. Okay, so in the previous video I taught you to do this and do the right algorithm. Okay, so we do when we have this corner piece which contains red and green and white, we used to do the right algorithm here. Okay, so in order to do the right algorithm, we used to do 1 time, we used to do 2 times, again we used to do 3 times, we used to do 4 times. Only in the 5th time we used to solve it. Okay, so but in this case, okay, so in order to solve this, okay, we do not have to do the right algorithm 4 times. So when the white piece is facing you, when this white piece is facing you, instead of holding this way, just hold it this way. Okay, so just hold it this way and do the left algorithm once. Just look at it. We solved this step in just 1 step. We solved this in just 1 step. Okay, so we just saved a lot of time here. Okay, now let's look at this one. Okay, so blue and red, and let's go and check. Okay, actually it's here. Okay, again this is in the front, this white is facing you, so you just have to hold this cube this way and do the right algorithm, and we just solved it. Okay, now let's look for blue and orange out here. Now in this case, the previous case was white was facing you. Okay, so in this case the white is facing in the right hand side. Okay, so when it is facing the right hand side, you just have to do the right algorithm once and you can solve it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's look for another corner piece out here which contains white. Now again this sorry, it's here. So again, now this is facing you, so you do not have to do right algorithm, instead do the left algorithm once. Okay, so now you can see out here you solved it pretty fast. Okay, this way you'll solve this first layer very fast. Okay, now the other things are again similar to what I taught you. Okay, so in this video my focus was to teach you how to solve this first layer of this 3x3 Rubik's cube fast. Okay, so now if you are a newbie, if you want to solve the entire Rubik's cube, I'll do that for you now. Okay, so now once you solve this one, you have to go and look for edge piece which do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so this contains yellow, this do not contain yellow. Okay, it contains blue and red. Okay, so edge piece means this one. Okay, which has only 2 colors. Okay, so let's go, and now once you find that, just match it with the center piece and this blue. Just look at the top color, because the blue is in the left hand side, so we push it away from the center piece. Okay, that is blue. Okay, we push it away from that, and we do the left algorithm once and right algorithm once. Okay, you can see the algorithm out here. We do the left algorithm once, and in order to do the right algorithm, we push it out here and do the right algorithm once. Okay, so similarly again we have 2 edge piece which do not contains yellow. Okay, so it has orange in it, orange is in its left hand side, so we push it away from it and do the left algorithm once and bring it to the right, do the right algorithm once. Okay, so now if you want to know the easiest way to solve this Rubik's cube, you can also watch my previous videos. This video was about the how to solve this first layer fast. Okay, so since you are here, I just wanted to solve this Rubik's cube for you guys. Okay, so now next thing is let's find another one which do not contains yellow, this edge piece. In this case also green is out here, so we push it away, do the left algorithm once, bring it to the right, do the right algorithm once. Okay, so we just solved the second layer of this 3x3 Rubik's cube. Okay, now let's go to the third layer, solving this layer. Okay, so in order to solve this third layer, you have to bring you have to get yellow cross out here. Okay, so in order to get this yellow cross, there are 3 conditions out here. So when you get this condition out here, you have to hold this cube, rotate it once 90 degree, do the right algorithm, and again rotate it back. Okay, now you'll get this condition, second condition. Okay, so the second condition is this. Okay, so you can't hold this cube this way, you can't hold this cube this way, you can't hold this cube this way. You have to hold this according to the condition you see out here. Okay, so now after that you do the same algorithm, and this. Okay, so all algorithms is you can just find it here. Okay, now this is the third condition out here. Okay, so in order to do work on the next step, you have to hold this condition this way. Okay, so you can't hold it this way. Okay, you can hold it this way, this way or this way. Okay, so again do the same algorithm here, 90-degree front face, do the right algorithm once and bring it back. Okay, now you have the yellow cross out here. Okay, so you can see that the first layer and second layer is solved, and the top one yellow cross, we just got the yellow cross out here. Okay, so now we have to go and solve this one. Okay, so you can see that this is already solved, but we have to solve all these 4 pieces to the center. Okay, this edge piece to the center we have to solve. Okay, we have to look around. Right now only one is solved, so if that's the case, so we just have to rotate it and see if we can find 2 pieces, edge piece which solved. Okay, which is solved to the, that means we have to just match it with the center piece. Okay, so once you find this, you have to hold the cube this way. Okay, so that in the right hand side there is a 1 match in the right hand side and 1 in the back hand side. Okay, so you hold this cube like this and do this algorithm. Okay, so you do this algorithm and look. Okay, so you can just rotate and again check. Okay, so now you can see this is matched with the center, this is also matched with the center, this is also matched with the center, this is also matched with the center. So we solved. Now we just have to solve these 4 corners. Okay, we just have to solve these 4 corners. Okay, so you can see out here this corner. Okay, so this corner it's not in its exact position. Okay, so this is in its wrong position. Okay, so because this corner needs blue here, this corner needs red here and yellow here. Okay, but you can just look at the corner, you can see that this is not in its correct position because there is no blue here. Okay, there is only green out here. So this this corner piece, red, green and yellow. Okay, it should be here actually. Okay, but it is here, so it's in its wrong position. Now let's look at this one. Now this is also in its wrong position because red, yellow and blue. Okay, actually red, green and yellow should be here. Okay, red, green and yellow. Okay, so actually this piece should be here and this piece should be here. Okay, so now this is also in its wrong position. Okay, so now let's look at this. Okay, so this also do not contain green, so it's not in its good position. Okay, so all 4 corner pieces are not in its correct position. Okay, so what we can do is we can hold it anywhere we like and do this just do this algorithm. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, this one, back, back and back. Okay, so you just follow this algorithm and again check. This is still not in its correct position, this is also still not in its correct position, but just look at this piece, this corner piece has orange, has blue, has yellow. Okay, so this has orange, it's not in its exact position but it is in its correct position. Okay, so it needs 3 colors. Okay, it needs blue should be here, orange should be here and yellow should be here. Okay, so this corner piece is in its correct position but not in its exact position. Okay, so in that case you hold this cube this way in the left hand side and now do the same algorithm which we just did. Okay, so this one here, this one here, then back, back and back. Okay, so just follow the algorithm. Okay, now let's look at it. Okay, so now this is in its correct position since it has blue, it has orange and it has yellow. Okay, so this is in its correct position out here. Now this is also in its correct position because it has red, it has blue, it has yellow. Look here, this is also in its correct position, green, yellow and red. Let's look at the last one. Last also has green, orange and yellow, so all is in its correct position. Only thing is it's just upside down. Okay, so red should be here, yellow should be here, green should be here. Okay, so when you find this, now until now you had been holding this Rubik's cube with yellow on the top, just now rotate it out here. Okay, so just rotate it out here and you can see that all those corner pieces is here now. Okay, so all you have to do is do the right algorithm till you match it with the side. Okay, so this way. Now this and this is matched. Okay, so orange and blue is matched. So once we match it, you just do T prime out here and again do the right algorithm till you match it. Okay, so now you can see green and orange is matched. Okay, so again bring this one out here and do the right algorithm again. Okay, so again do this. Now if I show this tutorial pretty fast, just look at my previous video where I've just shown it stepwise. Okay, so now this one. Congratulations, we just solved 3x3 Rubik's cube, and I showed you in this video. The main goal was to teach you how to solve the white cross fast and this first layer fast. Okay, so I did that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel right away. Okay, so and like my video and comment on my video. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome and take care.